Earn money typing online, list of 5 websites. If you are looking for a side job that require less brain work, you can certainly earn money typing online. Typing is the most basic skill any person who owns a computer can learn. Here are 5 websites where you can get paid for your typing skills. 1. Freelancer. Freelancer.com is an ultimate freelancing portal with over 900 job categories to choose from. The online platform boasts over 30 million users. How it works: a client creates a job with specifications and posts it on the platform. Freelancers bid on the job and the client selects the freelancer they want to give the job to. 2. Captcha. Captcha allows users to earn online in the most easiest way possible. The company pays its users to solve Captcha. Captcha solving jobs are the most easiest typing jobs you can come across. The only downside is you get paid way less than other jobs. The best part about this job is that you don't have to have a specific time to work. There are jobs available 24/7, so users can have a flexible schedule and work whenever they want to. 3. TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is an online transcription service provider that converts audio, video files into text. Users earn by typing audio files in text. So if you are looking for some part-time work, TranscribeMe provides a good opportunity to earn money on the side. 4. Upwork. Upwork is one of the best portals for freelancers and employers all over the world. It allows employers to connect with freelance job seekers to get their jobs done and pay a fixed or hourly amount once the job is successfully completed. Upwork allows users to search for a wide range of online jobs, including typing. 5. Rev. Rev is a transcription company that provides services for transcription, captioning and foreign subtitles. Users can make money by typing captions for YouTube videos, transcribing audio files, and more. So if you are fluent in English and a fast typist, working with Rev is the best way forward. The best part about working for Rev is that there are always work opportunities enlisted there. There are literally hundreds of projects uploaded every day. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck!